Composition of functions. Let f of a to b and b to c be two given functions. Then the composition of the function from a to c is denoted by g of f. That is, g of f of x is equal to g of f of x. Now let us look into an example related to this. If f of 0, infinity to r and g of r to r be defined as f of x is equal to root x and g of x is equal to x squared minus 1, then find g of f and f of g. This can be solved easily. Clearly, now you can see that the domain is given as domain f is given as 0, infinity, and range of f is given as 0, infinity. So domain of G is R. Domain of G is R, and range of G is minus infinity, minus 1. Now let us see the computation. G of f of g is equal to g of f of x is nothing but g of f of x, which is equal to g root of x, which is equal to minus of root x the whole square minus 1, which is equal to minus x minus 1. Therefore, g of f of 0 to infinity to r is given by g of f of x is equal to minus x minus 1. Same way, computation of f of g is given by range g, which is equal to minus infinity to minus 1. Now we can see that it is not a subset of the domain of f. So f of g does not exist.